Beautiful weather to be out and about, getting you in the right mood for that. Take a look here at the coastline, looking very, very nice. So that marine deck that was in this morning is retreated out a little bit. It's going to make a return, though, in the night and morning hours over the next couple of days. Inland heat finally backed off a little today, so a lot to talk about. Be on KSBY, your photos. Mark Ray up along the north coast. His dog's name is Lily, so Lily made up in his title as well. Beautiful shot underneath the bridge up at San Simeon. And Susan's view here of some of the flowers and a beautiful butterfly. Love that. Love your pictures. Send them along on social media where we pass along weather information. Have some fun with you as well. So sign up, join along, follow, like. Here's what's happening. You can see how that cloud deck is backed off and getting ready to move back in here. I think out in the Guadalupe area right now, we're starting to see some clouds coming in also in Vandenberg. Few more clouds as expected in the channel, so it's been a really sunny and warm week for us on the south coast, starting to cool off just a little bit. 5 degrees cooler than this time yesterday for Santa Barbara, 5 degrees cooler than this time yesterday in Paso Robles. Most of the Central Coast very similar. It's 83 right now in Paso and 69 Santa Barbara, 73 in Santa Maria and San Luis, and the winds currently are onshore at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Relative humidity, the numbers in the interior, we're not dealing with mugginess here. What you see here at the coastline is influence from the marine layer, not mugginess, but that could creep into our forecast as we get into Sunday and Monday of next week. Okay, Hurricane Dorian did go by Puerto Rico, which is right there. However, didn't do a lot of land interaction. There was one fatality. A man was on a ladder prepping for the storm, and he fell off that ladder. That is the fatality in Puerto Rico. Now, here's the thing. The fact that this did not interact with Puerto Rico means that it's going to be back out over water. The shear, the wind pushing against this, is going to diminish. As it gets into warm water here, too, it's going to strengthen into a Category 3 storm just to the north and east of the Bahamas. So it's going to be a miss likely for much of the Bahamas. But as we get into the Labor Day weekend, we're talking about a landfall somewhere north of Vero Beach, maybe around Melbourne, Florida. What's left is going to go over Central Florida. However, you have to take into account the totality of the potential. Could be anywhere from southern Georgia to southern Florida with this storm. And we're talking about a Category 3. This is massive. And again, the timing with the holiday week is going to be critical. We are going to track this and give you daily updates between now and then on Hurricane Dorian. 82 Santa Barbara, 94 Paso Robles tomorrow, 78 San Luis, 75 Santa Maria. So really wonderful weather. And the heat did not return immediately in this forecast to the deep interior. 88 Los Alamos tomorrow, 75 AG, 69 Pismo Beach. You'll notice these numbers have not changed a lot over the last few days. The forecast is pretty static outside of some of the interior changes. That's going to be the case into the weekend, but then we start to warm up a little bit. That ridge of high pressure is going to start to rebuild, squish the marine layer down a little bit, and triple digits are back in the forecast for the weekend in Paso Robles, Atascadero, Templeton. Could arrive as early as Friday, last into early next week before temperatures sag back a little once again. Richard, Karina, back to you.